Hello everyone, I will be introducing one of the most respected Filipino writers in literature. His name is Nick Joaquin, also known as Quijano de Manila. Through his stories, plays, and essay, he explored Filipino identity, history, and culture. His works continue to influence readers and writers up to this day. He was born on May 4, 1917 in Paco, Manila, Philippines. His full name is Nicomedes Marquez Joaquin. He wrote in the English language and it's well known for his deep understanding of Filipino culture, history, and identity. Nick Joaquin works belong to the genres of short stories, novels, essay, and journalism. His writing style often combines history, religion, tradition, and modern Filipino life. He is famous for showing the contrast between the Philippines' past and present, especially during the Spanish colonial period. Some of his most popular works include May Day In. It tells the story of a married couple who remember their past very differently. This story shows how love can change into regret when pride and misunderstanding take over. Another popular short story by Nick Joaquin is The Woman Who Had Two Novels. These novels focuses on a woman who believes she has two novels symbolizing confusion and identity crisis. The main characters struggle with reality and imagination, showing how emotional pain can affect a person's sense of self. A portrait of the artist as a Filipino. This play focuses on a family struggling to hold on to tradition while facing change. The characters are torn between protecting the past and accepting the future. This play represents the Filipino struggle between tradition and modernization. Because of his great contribution to Philippine literature, Nick Joaquin was awarded the title National Artist for Literature in 1976, one of the highest honors given to Filipino artists.
Happy the senior who can say that. So I say, mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Nick Joaquin helped Filipinos understand their identity by writing about their history, culture, and belief. His work reminds readers that understanding the past is important in facing the future. Nick Joaquin is a powerful voice in Philippine literature. His story reflects the Filipino experience and the importance of culture and history. He remains an inspiration to students, writers, and readers up to this day. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video presentation. I hope you learned something new and meaningful about the topic I shared today. Once again, thank you very much and have a good day.